Commanders morning. Ngifuna ningizwe kahle bafethu kulento engizoyisho. This is an assumption, my assumption. Ngoba ngiyathanda ukucacisa izinto. This is me assuming by connecting the dots. You know, khona into ebilokhu ngihluka ukuthi le ikipa zomkhonto wesizwe eziprintwayo bese ziyagodlwa zigodlelwayo. Ngibuza ukuthi ungafika uprint ikipa uyiprintele event bese uyayigodla uyigodlelana. Yini purpose yaleyo? Moses Mabhida uyayibona ikipa ihlele emva kwestage zigodli. Yini purpose yaleyo nto? Beyinhlupho. But me connecting the dots with my assumption, ngizolonga express lokho. Kufika information ngimina ethi after lo live ka comrade uMatsotsana organize bus. Kwase kuba nabantu with enthusiasm or fake enthusiasm of organizing ama-bus. And apparently there were 5 buses which were paid anonymously. Information got to me but those buses were not of former members of Umkhonto Wesizwe, but those members were camouflaged as Umkhonto Wesizwe. So that means whatever numbers we were getting in Moses Mabhida, it could be they were maybe 10% or 20 to 15% false. Yabo? So lento yayisengibuyisele emuva ukuthi ikipa ugodle ikipa obekweze event yomkhonto wesizwe. Yayisengibuyisele emuva lento kulama by election lawe siwaluzayo. Yabo? Ugodle ikipa kwaba by election sawaluza. Yet bekunabantu bomkhonto wesizwe abakhombisa ukuthi bazovota kodwa sawaluza. Ungeke kwaba yini ibhasi elicamouflagile ukuthi lo mkhonto wesizwe ngelona by elections acamouflagile ukuthi awumkhonto wesizwe ngeke. Yabona ibingihlupha lento kodwa me connecting the dots ila esengiqala ukubona khona ukuthi kahle ama infiltrators emkhontweni wesizwe awala phansi lawa la phansi vele agijimela kodwa abantu abaphezulu abayiplace lapha phezulu. Yabona yabona lo assumption wami I think kusazofanele kube ne-revision. Kusazofanele kube ne-rehauling of umkhonto wesizwe. I think intelligence has to work very hard. Needs to work seriously hardcore hard. Because sizolimala bafethu, siyalimala and isilimala kakhulu. And isithemba abantu abangenendaba nathi. Kumina those people right now laba baphezulu they are so-called leaders. Because uma sebeluza ama-by election they don't want to take accountability. Yabona? And uyibuza ukuthi kanjani man? Sigodlela le equipe yini le purpose? Bafethu ngiyanitshela 2026 uma umkhonto wesizwe intelligence ethi ingasebenzi hard and rehaul umkhonto wesizwe sisonqela isithupha ngo2026 ayikho lento idlalwa ngesitsotsi. Yabona? Idlalwa ngesitsotsi lento idlala ngezikhwama ama brown envelope izikhwama ezigcwele imali emfethu hey ayikunzima mfethu kunzima. Yabona? inzima kakhulu lento bafethu. Sizowuncela u2026, believe you me. Yabezwa nje abantu belokhu bethi hayi 2026 we are losing by elections ngesitsotsi esithizeni. Amabhasi, ikepha, by election. Amabhasi, godle ikepha, by election uyawaluza. Une-statement eyiphumayo eyivimba amabhasi kwezinye indawo. Unezitimela ezivalwayo. Kuningi ukusabotage okukhona. Bese uthi 2026 uzowunoka. We need to face the reality ukuthi there needs to be a serious clean up. Serious clean up. I think ama leaders kufanele abe khona makushawe serious clean up. It needs to be appointed by abantu ukuthi nangu umuntu thina sim identifyayo. Laba bayiplaceile abasheshe ngeke. Kufanele kushawe clean up enzima. Assumption yami leyo. Commanders morning.